What's up, guys? Weather today is crazy insane. It's cold. It's like warm, but it's cold, and it's raining. This weather's crazy. My hair's all wet. But I'm on my way back home. I have to take my car to the mechanic right now. I'm driving a rental. So, yeah. It's a pretty sweet rental. It's a RAV4. I always wanted this car. That or a Jeep. But anyways, I gotta go because girls gotta drive. What's up, guys? Here, wow, this angle, shit. So I'm on my way back to Toronto and I got some food because I was starving. Oh, I'm tired. Oh my gosh, so good. Anyways, I'm on my way back to Toronto, so you know what that means. I'm going to vlog later on. See you guys. Guys, it is freezing and it's so foggy outside. Me and my mom are parting ways because we got the car back, by the way, which is good. It's so weird vlogging outside. It's fucking cold. It is literally freezing. It's like a fucking ice cube outside, but I love how foggy it is. Like, ugh. Like, can you guys see how foggy that shit looks? Hey guys, what's up? So I'm sorry this vlog is really shitty that I'm posting today. I was actually thinking not to post a vlog at all because I actually had no footage. This weekend I was actually out of town. I was up in Windsor and I was gonna vlog because me and my friend decided to go to a casino and everything like that. And I was gonna vlog, but I forgot my camera battery at home. And when I got there, I was about to vlog and my camera completely dies on me. I mean, now that I think of it, I could have vlogged on my phone, but I'm sorry, guys. And I really don't want to post this vlog because I just feel like it's completely pointless, but whatever. It's something to post on Monday. I do want to stick to the schedule, so anyways, I'm gonna close that off for now. Next week I do promise I'm gonna have a good vlog. I'm actually going to Hamilton tomorrow. I'm going in with Peter and William and we're gonna go to the like waterfalls because they're all like frozen, so we're gonna take some pictures. I'm definitely gonna vlog, so I promise next time it's gonna be a cool vlog, but for now I'm gonna sign out and I'll see you guys next time.